everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Nikki and in today's video we're gonna be talking about the Fit Future Festival that's gonna be in Vienna from April the 22nd till June the 10th 2025. This is super exciting, especially for people looking for new job experiences and don't really know where to look. For example, as I mentioned in my previous video, if you haven't been to the Best Messe, where you could also check out basically career opportunities and stuff like that, and also it was for education, then there's a next thing coming up, which is a Fit Future Festival. So if you missed the Best Messe or the Best Fair, you can actually visit this festival and it's gonna be a longer period of time. And yeah, let's get into the details. Vienna is turning into a capital of future jobs and skills. And this is all happening at the Fit Future Festival. And trust me, this is not a typical job fair. So what is the Fit Future Festival? It's a citywide event all across from Vienna, where you can discover the jobs and skills that are shaping our future. And this is not just about career information. It's hands-on, it's immersive, and also super interactive. Think of it as sort of something between a job fair, a tech expo, and a festival. There are gonna be themed events, workshops, networking, and live events. And this, of course, all free to attend. Whether you're a student or you're looking for a switch between your jobs, or you need more information about other jobs that are citywide, then this is a really great opportunity to check these workshops and talks out, because I'm sure there's gonna be something for you. So let's break down some of the highlights of this event. There are 5 things I want to mention. First, Wien Care for healthcare and social professions. It's gonna be April 22nd from 11 a.m. till 7 p.m. at the Vienna City Hall. And here you can test your skills. So as I mentioned, this is gonna be about healthcare and social professions. From early childhood education to elderly care, you'll also get to test your skills and also meet real professionals. And this helps you see what the job is gonna look like. This is super useful for people that want to work in healthcare and want to work with either children or elderly. Next, we have Coding and Digitalization Fair. It's gonna be April 29th, 3:30 p.m. till 7:30 p.m. Whether you are into IT, coding, or data, or just love gadgets, this event might be for you. Dives into digital jobs of tomorrow, where you can also work in workshops, you can try out tools and pick up some new skills even. And next we have Climate and Sustainability Fair. It's gonna be May 6th from 3:30 p.m. till 7:30 p.m. at the Ottakringa Brewery. You get to learn about what's a green job, how to work sustainably, also how can you build a career while being sustainable. It basically shows insight in how to be sustainable. Here you can meet startups and speak with people working in these areas. Also do workshops where you can get some eco skills. Next up we have Female First, Women, Careers and Opportunities. It's gonna be May 14th from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. at Anka Broodfabrik. This is an all-day event focusing on women in careers. Basically, if you're thinking about career changes or entering a new industry field. There's gonna be a career breakfast and after work networking, speakers, and you get a chance of talking to other women that are in this field and also want to change or switch careers. And number 5, we have Education and Pedagogy Fair. This event is gonna be on May 28th from 3:30 p.m. till 7:30 p.m. at the Steffel Arena. This is for people who are interested in working like a teacher, for example. Also, if you're interested in social work, this gives you a deep dive into the careers of education and educational field. You learn about training options, how to become a teacher, or if you want to work in childcare also. One of the best parts probably of this whole Fit for Future festival is at the Museumsquartier. There's gonna be a Fit for Future experience, okay? Just hold on, I'm gonna get right into it. It's gonna be an interactive space where you can explore your skills and even discover what careers might be the best for you and get a feel for different work environments. There are gonna be personality quizzes, career games, digital tools, and more. Okay, so why should I actually care and why should I go? Because whether you're 16 or 36 even, like, it doesn't matter, and you want to change career paths, you want to get more insight on where to go next in your life, these events are designed to be open doors. You can come and go as you will, and it's basically free also, so you don't have to spend a dime on just basically information that might be helpful for you. As we all know, the future job market is changing a lot lately, and it's gonna be changing a lot in the future. And as we know, we have more AI right now. Also, climate change is a big discussion right now, so it's our responsibility to work in jobs that don't harm the environment. Also, healthcare and social work is a big theme going on in the future because it's a hard job to do, and I admire every single one of those people who work at these fields. Also, it's a great way to meet like-minded people, to share information from others who are looking for other options or other career paths. You can talk to them and just connect. You get to test your skills also, and maybe even find a job faster than you have thought you would. Final thoughts and how to join. As I said, most of these are drop-in friendly, so you can just basically come on the day that they have the fair or festival. You can come by and go whenever you want. But what I recommend is checking out their website, where you have more information about these events and workshops and live talks. And if there's a workshop or live talk you want to go to and you have to register online, then you can just do it on the website, and there's gonna be written everything on there. I of course will link everything down in the description below for you to check out. And hey, if you can only go to one of these events or workshops, at least you went to one of them, you got some information, and maybe even helped you see the future kind of differently, either how the world is changing or what new interests you may have. Well, that will be it for today, and if you like more information, go ahead and check out the website, as I said. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video and would want me to make more of these about events coming up, then make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any videos I post. Let me know if you're going to visit at least one of these in the comment section down below. I will for sure visit one of them. I have already looked at the list, and I think it was a one with a workshop. It was a digital workshop, some type of, I think it was like with something with gaming for sure. And I'm going with my sister, so maybe I will see you there. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!